Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials. Your carrier voicemail service is active and you have a good signal. Once confirmed, open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu, then Settings, then Voicemail. This navigates you to the right controls. Make sure to check the saved voicemail number. Carriers often populate a default. If it's empty or wrong, replace it with the number your carrier provided, because forwarding must match their network settings for voicemail to reach you. Now configure your greeting and security. Go into voicemail settings and choose Advanced or Visual Voicemail. This exposes greeting and PIN options. Tap to record a custom greeting so callers know it's you, and then set a secure PIN. This prevents unauthorized access to messages. If your phone supports visual voicemail, enable it so messages transcribe and appear as a list. This speeds up message triage. Remember, a clear greeting and strong PIN improve usability and privacy. Finish by testing and validating the setup. Call your number from a different phone and leave a test voicemail, then check playback and transcription. If messages don't arrive, make sure the voicemail number in settings is correct and restart your phone to refresh network provisioning. Once done, check for carrier outages or provisioning blocks. If issues persist, contact your carrier. They can reset voicemail on their side. One quick tip: toggling airplane mode for 10 seconds can force a network re-register.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.